Hello and welcome back. Another grand tour of Mars, folks. This time we at a region called Phlegra Montes, located in the northern mid-latitudes of Mars. Found a couple of anomalies there, guys and girls. We'll take a look at those right now. Right, up in the northern mid-latitudes, got this region called Phlegra Montes. Let's have a look at the anomalies I've discovered in this region, guys. Firstly, this strange megalithic type of block. It's about 10 by 10 meters in size. It seems to be cracked down the diagonal. Also has the characteristic spot on the one side. Next site, found a couple of these strange structured type of anomalies there, and a long narrow part. Looks very similar to some of the obelisk type anomalies I've discovered on Mars. Check out the similarity in these two anomalies, guys. Got two large parts separated with a gap down the middle. In this one we've got a small perfect square object bridging that gap right there in the center, and in this one a smaller object bridging that gap. Check out the symmetry and geometry of this triangular part there, folks. More alignment of smaller objects on this piece. We've seen so many cases where we have three similar objects arranged in rows or triangles to get the equal distance between those. This row again parallel with the one side of the larger object. Another megalithic type of object, folks. Perfect rectangular item there, and it's got a small rectangular part on the top. Looks almost like an opening over there with that hatch on the one side. Another strange alignment over here, folks. Two large parts, gap between the two, and a strange rectangular part bridging the gap. Check out the multiple strange pieces going on here, folks. Got a pyramidal object. This one's about 12 by 12 meters in size. Get the symmetry and geometry in that shape. Strange rectangular object on top of this piece, parallel with that one side. Another similar rectangular object there on that. The strange protrusion coming off the side here, and another rectangular opening in that object. Looks almost like some type of wreckage. L-shaped part over here, 45-degree angle between those two. Another disc-shaped anomaly with a protrusion or smaller part near its center, two smaller parts next to it, arranged in a triangular pattern, and then again two large parts separated with that gap, and a small part in the center close to bridging that gap. Very similar to these. While we're here, let's check out anomalies I discovered in Stokes. Looks like ancient structures, folks. Check out the multiple blocks, almost the same size, right angles and straight edges to them. And then also found many of these what looked like they could have been dome type of structures that collapsed in on themselves. Get the rows, these blocks. And these structured items are about 50 to 60 meters in diameter. So let's zoom down to this site over here, where a nuclear explosion possibly took place in the distant past, and that's where I found this strange type of monolith or obelisk type anomaly. It's about 12 meters long. It's got a triangular shape to it, flat side over here, and what looks to be a carving of an eye on this one side. And then in Tartarus colors, strange megalithic block. It's about 70 meters long, straight edges, right angles to it. There's a slab lying next to it, another block over here to the one side, parallel with this one. So, previously featured Aonia Terra, Argaea Planitia, Elysium Planitia, Naarchus Terra, Promethei Terra, Protonilus Mensae, and Terra Cimmeria. I'll include the link to those grand tours in the video description below. That's it for this one, folks. Thank you for watching. Take care. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers for now.